Welcome.
We got ideas.
Today we'll do a fun painting. Bring your paper, paint, paintbrush, and a Ziploc bag. Let's start. Gently tap your paintbrush on your paper. We will begin with the color
Red.
The next color is
Purple.
Then we have
Yellow.
the last color is
Orange.
Once you're done, you can either stop here and let your paint dry, or we can proceed on with the Ziploc bag. Place your painting in the Ziploc bag and seal it. This is the fun part. Now press down on the paint. I decided that I wanted more paint on mine, so I'm placing it back in the Ziploc bag. All done. What a great job.
Share, like,
Subscribe.